The kids love this part about summer. It's so unstructured, so much fun. Remember when we used to wait all school year for this? And then it's taken me all summer to get this thing right with the chairs. So I put out the cushions. My son hit the treadmill for a little exercise. Preseason soccer training, of course, we're getting the legs right. A little breakfast by the pool is so worth it. And we're missing one pillow, so that's in the wash while we watch this graceful little one in the water. And then we're off to run. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. We're in Ross and we have a mission. We're going back to the kitchen area or the home decor area. We're gonna see what they have back there. Let me get a cart. I need one of these. I think I'm gonna get this. This is an essential item, not an item that I don't need, and it's only $7.99. I think I'm gonna get this one. I probably need two of them. I see a better one. Let me show you guys this one. This looks so much more luxe. Look at this. But the problem is you only have one versus two. This is so much more luxe. Look at this. $8.99. Isn't that luxe looking? Do you think we could pair them together? Two? I feel like my drawer can probably hold two. That will work. What do you think? I think it's gonna work. Okay, we're gonna take both of them. This one feels better. Look at these. Aren't these so cute? These are cute. These are, how much are these? $5.99. Like, these are dessert bowls. You put your desserts in these. A little bit of salad in them. $6.99. Super cute. I love these coasters. These are so nice. These ones are $5.99. These are really nice. They're not melamine. I like melamine nowadays, but these are ceramic. Ooh, these are glass. This one's $8.99. And this one is $8.99. Oh, this is broken. This would be nice though. It's broken. $6.99. If you want these, there would only be 3 available. Ask for a discount. Oh, look at this. A pear. That's so cute. Did you have a block thing? Oh, look at this. This is cute. What is this? Does anybody know what this is? It has a little piece here. What are we doing? I'm not sure what that is. But clearly, I'm not sure what this little piece is for. If anybody knows, can you guys tell me? I want to know what that is. What is that hook for? $11.99. Look at this. This is cute. Parmesan cheese. $7.99. Oh, this is a pasta tray. The kitchen countertop. This is cute. This cutting board. This is super cute. Oh, I like that. How much is this one? $14.99. The prices are phenomenal in here. What else? Oh, look at that. Look at that. $16.99 for this one. This is really nice. Oh, look at this one. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? This one is $14.99. They have like these puppy ones. Okay. I don't know, like these are supposed to be cutting boards, I think. I don't know how I feel like, I don't know how I feel cutting on a puppy. Like, it just sounds a little bit inhumane. Maybe there's something wrong with my ability to process this information, but not only do I not want to use a puppy board to cut things up on, but I don't want to use it as a charcuterie board either. No, I don't have a puppy, but I wouldn't want to eat off of my puppy. I don't know. This is kind of weird to me, but it looks cute, but it's a cutting board? Come on. I don't know. These are the bald bowls. This is kind of nice. Give you that looks look. Yeah, you could really look. You can make that, we could sell that really nice. This is bold but still neutral, and it's perfect for a black and white entryway or a glam bookshelf. I'm not an expert, but my guess is that neutral train links are going to still be trending 2025 through 2026. The mix of the natural and white gives it like a coastal modern edge, and you can definitely layer this on top of a book stack. You can use it in a wooden bowl or let it spill from a shelf to give it that effortless look that we all are hearing about and that everyone is trying to chase. And this very affordable pedestal bowl is very effortless, easy to style, very neutral. You could always change the color if you wanted to based on your use and function. You definitely want to be careful when using it around food, but this is definitely a piece that you can use almost anywhere. Whenever you're in places like Ross, do not leave out the florals, because sometimes you can find surefire hits on the floral end. Not the one that I just showed you, but every now and then they do have a surefire, a floral aesthetic win. I love the shape of these handles. It's only 3 spoons. I'm thinking about it. It's another 3 spoons. These are $8.99. Look, aren't these chopsticks so cute? Look at that. More chopsticks. Your plastics with your marble tops. Foam marble, I'm assuming. They're not real. Yeah, they look like foam marble tops. Seem like they're plastic. They're really nice. I like that. Okay, so I'm gonna give you a little car haul. We have this. Okay, I know I said I wasn't gonna spend, but I had to. No, I didn't have to. No, I said I wasn't gonna spend, but I did need a few items, so I got a few items. This one I really didn't need, but I felt like it is such a timeless piece with a bulbous bottom, 2 sections here. It is a wood finish, and it is a very warm wood finish. You can use this for a potted plant. You can use this for seasonal items in your kitchen. You can use this as a cake stand. You can do so many things with this, and this will look so cute on your countertop. So I wasn't gonna say no. It's $14.99. Okay, this is really cute. You can never have enough wooden spoons. These wooden spoons are only $5.99, so I definitely got that. I love the fact that these are, it almost looks like, I want to say like, it almost, like it reminds me of like a twisted, but it's not twisted, but like, you know, like a textured handle. So these are really, really cute. And it's for the love of cooking. They are acacia wood tools. So really cute. Hand wash only, of course, for these ones. And did I say $5.99? These are $6.99. $6.99 for these. Tell me these are not super cute. Tell me, because I know they're cute. Okay, so I don't really have a dark theme going on in my kitchen. I don't know. I was thinking the kitchen, but you could use this anywhere. I could use it upstairs where we have like a darker theme. This was $14.99. It smells super good. It smells really good. It smells really, really good. It's a piece of cardboard fluff in there. It's tinder flame, sandalwood, and myrrh. So it contains like a wooden wick. You know the wooden wick, it burns so differently than a regular wick. It gives you like that flame look. So I got that, and it has this cute little jute piece up at the top to take your lid off, your wooden lid. It was very aesthetic looking, so I thought this is nice and big. It's going to last for a little while, and I love the warmer, darker, more moody tone to it. So, and fall is coming up. I'm just hoping that the sticker, let's see if the sticker comes off very easily. But you can always get the, ooh, this is gonna come off so nicely, so you don't even have to have the sticker on there. Look at how easy it's coming off. Okay, so I don't really care for the sticker too much. It's not my cup of tea. And I feel like I'll remember what it is. But look at that, it came off really nicely. So you could always stick it on the bottom if you really need the sticker like that. But yeah, if you really want the sticker, you could probably figure it out on the bottom if you just want to remember what it is. Or cut the bottom off and figure it out. The bottom where the name is, and stick it under there so you can remember what it is. But isn't that cute? $8.99, you guys already saw it. I got the inserts. I needed this. I was looking at my inserts today and I was like, you gotta go. I still have those plastic ones from a long, long time ago that are from IKEA. I'm very dated, I know. So I wanted to update them. This was $7.99. I don't know that I'm gonna need two. So if I don't need one, I'll just bring it back. And get another. And then I had a crock or a utensil holder. We're gonna do a DIY on this one. I don't care for the color too much. So it's a beautiful texture. Color can work, but like, I don't know. I want something a little bit different, but this is gonna be my crock or my utensil holder because I don't know, if you guys have been watching, you guys should remember I have been looking for one and I finally found one for $7.99. So I'm excited. I didn't spend any money. I was going to go to Home Goods today, but I'm glad I didn't go to Home Goods because I know I spent less money. And then I got the wooden tray. Now I'm not going to pull this whole thing out, but I'm going to use it in my decorate with me that I'm about to do with Carla. So this was the one that was gold. I don't know if you guys can see it, but if you guys want to see the entire thing, go ahead and watch the decorate with me. I'm about to go get our dinner items at the grocery store because I'm cooking with the kids today. So I'll see you in the grocery store. Today we use the Eat to Explore cooking kit. It comes with easy to follow recipes, a shopping list, even collectible passports with stickers to make learning fun. Each kit allows the kids to explore a new country's culture and cuisine in the kitchen. Sarah definitely loves to feel like a real chef. She loves to cook. They're full cooking all the time. And I love that we're learning and bonding while cooking. So every now and then I'll pull out one of these kits for dinner time and they will go ahead and cook with me. I know at this point we're almost back to school. This is not a paid promotion, but really this is a great summer project idea. This is also great for the weekends while the kids are in school. And if you are a homeschooler, you are going to find that the kids learn a wealth of knowledge from these kids. They are really incredible, especially like for home ec and for world studies. This is a really good kit for the kids to explore with. As you can see here at the bottom of the box, they get daily plans, cooking videos, curriculum guides, activity sheets, recipes, and a shopping list to make things easier. The passport is amazing. What I do is I just photocopy each passport for the 3 children. That way they can make a sticker, faux sticker, and put it in the passport. So they have each been to each country. And today we are making this particular dish. It's papa rellena. I hope I said that right. Papa rellena. It's Peruvian stuffed potatoes with quinoa salad. So let's see if this is going to be an epic win or an epic fail today. I plated just a sample plate and it didn't look exactly like the picture, but according to Nick, he said it tasted delicious, so I was happy for that. We will see you guys next time. We love you guys. Bye.